Use a pencil to sketch the leaves like the example, or however you like. Then use your pen to draw the leaf stem. Now draw the pine needles by making strokes from the outside in toward the stem. You can fill it in along the sketch lines if you'd like. Next, just draw in the remaining part of the leaf. The leaves don't have to be the same length. It'll look more natural and give it some depth. Same with the angle of the lines, they don't have to tilt the same way. Go slow if you need to. There's no need to hurry. The first leaf is done. Now let's move on to the second one. Try to match the thickness of the first leaf just to keep it looking balanced. That's it. Give it a few more tries and have fun with it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.